number 1. Legato. Hammer-ons, pull-offs. I guess the biggest thing to remember here is you start with your pinky on each string, and got to minimize our movement to try and do pull-offs. So, here we go at 60. Let's go to 100. Let's do 140. Take 2. Okay, 160. Oh my God, I'm not doing too well today. Really am not doing good today. My God. Take 3. Oh, this will be, this I think is the first time you're working with 16th notes with stuff like this. So there is no goal speed. There's a bare minimum. You definitely have to get past 120, because if you can't get past that, that's a problem, and that means, well, that's the equivalent of the 8th notes at 240. So you definitely have to get past that. You'll get it. So let's see, number 2. Okay. So you just gotta be careful on this one. So when you're climbing up, you get your down, up, down. So you gotta go past the A string for that upstroke. D string, you gotta go past it for the upstroke. Gotta go past the G string for the upstroke. So just be mindful of that. Oh my goodness. Alright, 60 beats, triplets. 120. 160, the 8th note equivalent of 240. Let's go to 200. And finish at 240. Okay. Down to 60. Alright, the descending. This one might be a little easier. Easier because you're gonna, when you change the string down, up, down, you'll want to do it upstroke anyway, naturally. So, yeah, this one should be easier to keep the alternate picking going. So 60 beats. 160. 200. And 240. Okay. And now the picking one. Speed picking. Holy crap. Woo! A lot of yawning. Yeah, I just need more food. Okay, here we go. 60 beats. So I said this is what I definitely expect you to get at 240 because the other one you got at 235. This one should be easier to play than the one from last week because you're staying on one string for a little while there. You're not changing right away, so you should. That's why I say you should be able to get 240 and beyond on this. Here we go. Oh my God! Apparently I cannot. Take two. That's better. Oh my goodness. I don't know why so I got tired all of a sudden. Damn. Okay. And then yeah. So I guess the other steps to take. So scale refresh, so make sure, so stuff you can do. So like the A minor scale, you want to be able to go up and down, as well as do the coil, and so on. Same thing for the C scale, and the coil version, and then yeah, so just refresh, so I guess make a, if for some reason you don't have one or two scales memorized anymore, what I'd like you to make that a priority to relearn or even finish learning those shapes. So let's make that a priority this week. So just 4-note coil, the D Dorian shape. Do that, for example, here. I guess a few tricky spots. Let's see. Alright, so you're on the G string and you're starting on 9. So you got your 9, 10, 12. So you got first, second, fourth, and you're going to first finger on the 10. So instead of, yeah, basically just like how you would shift your hand up as you're playing the scale, you'll shift over here. So first, second, fourth, first. Go flat with that so you can roll down to the G string. Roll it. And then flat with your ring finger because you're going to roll that too. So you got 2 finger rolls you're doing here. Roll the finger. Roll the finger. flat, roll it up. Roll the index and shift. So from the B string, the C note, 13th fret, you're going to roll your ring finger here, and then you're going to roll your index finger and then shift your hand. So first, pinky, middle first. Shift. And then here, you just did your 10, 9, 12, 10. You got your 9 with the index finger, and then you're going to go, you start your hand shift. So when you go 9, 12, 10, 13, 9 on the D, 12, 10 on the A, 13 on the E, you do a hand shift there. So you got first finger, third finger, first finger, fourth finger. Holy crap. Alright, if you got any questions with that, let me know. Hope you have fun on your fishing trip. And good luck with them scales and everything. I'll see you next week.